TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida, 10 a.m. Eastern time on Thursday, 30 minutes into the trading day, and we have some negative action to start off the trading. Dow Jones negative 166 points, or almost 0.7%, trading at 25,223. S&P's negative 21, or almost 0.8%, trading at 2710, and the Nasdaq negative 62 points, or almost 0.9%, trading at 7312. Start things off. We're going to take a look at the VIX this morning. We had quite a number for 1504 earlier in the week, but 1648 as we get some negative action in the market, some volatility being priced in as you would expect. We'll jump over to the futures markets. We'll start it off with the Dow, currently trading 25,186, just kind of been hanging down at this level since about 6 a.m. Eastern time. Nasdaq 100, somewhat of a similar story. We get a bit of a sell-off even after 9 a.m., reach a low of 69.13. We're up a bit from that level, trading 69.25. S&P is trading at 27.08. We were up there in the overnight session at about 5 a.m., trading at 27.25, so you're approaching almost 20 S&P points below that level. Crude oil trading a bit lower this morning as well. We're up above $54 just at 5 a.m., currently trading at 53.14, the price of crude. Gold contract trading higher, almost up to 13.16 at one point. You have gold trading at 13.49, backing things up, the low of the overnight session, right at about midnight Eastern time. And euro-US dollar, euro trading 113.49. In terms of what else you have happening across the market, quite a deal in banking as BB&T is going to buy SunTrust in an all-stock deal worth $66 billion that will create the sixth largest U.S. bank. Twitter out with their earnings, and Twitter falling as it gives daily active user stats for the first time. The company reporting revenue of $909 million, beating the $868. But to dig down into those numbers a bit, you have earnings per share 31 versus 25, and monthly active users 321 million, which is pretty much on par. Jumping back to take a look at those charts to see how they're reacting, you have Twitter right now down almost 8.7%, trading at 31.18. Quite a number as Twitter. And let's check in on Snap on the flip side of that. Quite a number. They beat yesterday, pulling back a little bit, but nothing too dramatic. Stay tuned. We come back at 10 o'clock with Tom. We get natural gas inventory numbers at 10:30. Then, of course, Fast Market, Basil Chapman, Steve Rhodes, Dave White, Tom O'Brien, all this afternoon. Have a great Thursday, everybody.